Hey guys, Tony here. Also did want to update you guys on Robinhood. We actually did end up pushing 7%, a little bit higher today. Currently down about $11, less than 30%. So as of right now, I am looking to possibly, I'm not gonna add a little bit more. I'm gonna wait to CR. Just wait to CR. I'm gonna wait to see where we actually start trading. If we go back to 34, 35. But I think if we go back to $34, 35 bucks, I 100% think that I will be adding onto my Robinhood position. I know a lot of people don't like Robinhood, but this is where you get rid of your emotions and you basically trade on common sense. Robinhood makes money. Robinhood has like 95% of the new trader market. You know, Robinhood is possibly going to compete with Coinbase and start adding a lot of altcoins. You know, it just doesn't stop. I think that, you know, Robinhood will still has the chance of releasing wallets for everybody on the crypto side. You know, they have a definite chance of opening crypto staking on their platform. But again, I think they are waiting. Like I said, I think they waited for their IPO to start releasing news, because I think that, you know, I think that Hood or Robinhood has a market cap of what, like 30 plus billion. I think they are extremely undervalued. I think Robinhood is worth at least 10 times that. I think it's a $300 billion company, especially with all the market share that they can take away from Coinbase, and all the new traders that they're going to be basically acquiring over the next couple of years. You know, I think that Robinhood, you know, I think that Webull, you know, M1 Finance, any other market, any other broker, I doubt that they will ever compete with Robinhood. And like I've always said since the beginning, Robinhood is essentially the iPhone of the broker industry. Very easy to use, super simple to set up. Their options chain or their options market is extremely huge, especially with new traders. And with new traders being risky, they definitely have an option of opening up to more crypto, maybe some foreign exchange pairs. Their growth potential is I think is astronomical. And I think within the next 5 years, I can easily see Robinhood pumping to like $300 a share, strictly based off of you know, how much they can actually grow and how much support they actually have from Wall Street and how little support they have from retail. So think about it this way: Robinhood has extremely big support from Wall Street. There are obvious reasons why they have support from Wall Street, but they have very little support from retail. Why is that? Because obviously Robinhood left a lot of people in January from the GameStop squeeze, right? And almost fell off my treadmill. But I think, like I said, I think they have a lot of big money support. And I think right now at 38 bucks under IPO price, anything around here is definitely, you know, I think Wall Street's going to accumulate. A lot of funds are going to be buying them. You guys can say that it's not moral or whatever. I personally like to keep my emotions out of trading and just focus on making money. So current position, exactly 100 shares. I will be starting to sell calls as soon as this opens up, but I am looking at accumulating my position as much as possible around these prices, especially if it falls back to 33, 34 bucks. I'm looking to grow this portfolio, at least strictly for Robinhood. I want at least like 1,000 shares of Robinhood minimum, around these like 35, 40 prices. And if it drops lower, I think I'll probably still keep dropping. So, I think I'll probably still keep buying. I'll see you guys later.